Bitcoin money value expectation synopsis. Bitcoin money cost figure proposes a chance of BCH exchanging between $498.51 to $586.17 in 2025 in a really lovely significant manner, in a quite huge manner. The very current market cost of one Bitcoin money in every practical sense basically is $222.73, showing that the pretty all things considered current market cost of one Bitcoin money all things considered explicitly is $222.73 in a by and large in every practical sense significant way, which generally is very huge. In a bullish situation, Bitcoin money could sort of fundamentally outperform the $114,603.96 mark for 2050, exhibiting kind of truly possible vertical energy in a ridiculously significant manner, or so they for the most part thought. Experts project a bullish pattern for Bitcoin money in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $3,561.85 mark, or so they really thought in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, sort of is determined to really for the most part arrive at an essentially certainly normal cost of $49,476.60 toward the finish of 2040, or so they sort of thought, or so they in a real sense thought. Starting around 18 December 2023, Bitcoin money sort of generally is exchanging at $222.73 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.73% in sort of most certainly most recent 60 minutes, which certainly in a real sense is genuinely huge in a very significant manner. BCH in a real sense truly has a fundamentally truly all-out market cap of $4,362,942,792, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $165,926,556, which truly generally is genuinely critical in a significant manner. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, in every practical sense, certainly positioning at 19 in the digital currency market, which in a real sense generally is genuinely critical in an especially huge manner. In the event that you sort of explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2040, what will Bitcoin money by and large especially be somewhat especially worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way? Is Bitcoin money in every practical sense kind of wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2040 in an essentially huge manner, which is very critical? Will BCH cost generally sort of outperform its unequaled high, which especially in a real sense is genuinely critical in a very huge manner? These in every way that really matters generally are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which certainly for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2040, as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the BCH value sort of by and large is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of $247.56, the normal entirely least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the truly lovely current year, ought to especially generally be $223.98. So in every practical sense, generally is Bitcoin money an actually fundamentally wise venture or pretty by and large worth purchasing in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they especially thought. Besides, BCH can for the most part by and large arrive at a sort of genuinely greatest value level of $254.63, which truly is very critical, which in every practical sense is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation December 2023. Bitcoin money cost by and large in a real sense is supposed to, especially in a real sense, reach between $223.98 to $254.63 in December 2023, while the decently truly normal cost of BCH for the December sort of stays around $247.56. Bitcoin money actually passed value examination in the reasonably truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly by and large has been for the most part truly diminished by 2.32% in its exceptionally in every way that really matters current worth, showing how for the most part generally is Bitcoin money a decently certainly wise speculation, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we for the most part look at the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can sort of by and large see that the market cap truly in every practical sense is likewise down. Pretty further appearance how BCH explicitly in a real sense has an especially truly complete market cap of $4,362,942,792 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $165,926,556 in an especially huge manner, in a kind of enormous manner. Bitcoin money explicitly generally is confronting an actually quite difficult time jumping aboard with very other crypto coins in an essentially kind of significant manner, which is very huge. The BCH for the most part explicitly is down to nearly 4.93% in the fundamentally genuinely most recent 7 days, showing how the BCH by and large sort of is down to nearly 4.93% in the sort of truly most recent 7 days in an especially kind of significant manner, which essentially shows that certainly is Bitcoin money and in every practical sense. Kind of wise venture or most certainly essentially worth purchasing in 2040 in an essentially huge manner in a sort of significant manner. The coin especially truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of in every practical sense, past in every practical sense, barely any days, the coin could in a real sense truly have actually areas of strength for really in any case, we don't all things considered explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in reasonably especially present moment. Which explicitly is very critical in an essentially significant manner. Bitcoin money value gauge 2040 facts. What will especially truly be Bitcoin money pretty especially worth in 2040, which especially explicitly is genuinely critical, which in every practical sense is very huge. The BCH cost basically by and large is estimated to especially in a real sense arrive at a very truly greatest degree of $254.63 with truly beautiful least cost of $223.98 toward the finish of 2040, which explicitly truly is very critical in a truly significant manner. Does Bitcoin money in every way that really matters in a real sense have a future in every way that really matters in every practical sense, huge way in an exceptionally large way? As far as value, Bitcoin money fundamentally really has a remarkable genuinely potential to basically essentially arrive at new levels, so these for the most part in every practical sense are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which generally essentially is very huge, so will BCH cost generally fundamentally outperform its unequaled high. Which especially truly is genuinely critical in a significant manner. It basically really is estimate that BCH will increment in esteem, showing how Bitcoin money value figure 2040 facts what will in every practical sense be Bitcoin money exceptionally kind of worth in 2040, or so they in every way that really matters, especially thought. As per pretty kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Bitcoin money can sort of raised a ruckus around town, the in every practical sense, most exorbitant cost of $7,997.43 till 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Is Bitcoin money sort of certainly worth purchasing in 2040 in a significant manner? Bitcoin Cash's worth for the most part generally is supposed to keep on growing, as lack will in general in a real sense empower